Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure student loan interest deduction in TurboTax, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure your student loan interest deduction in TurboTax, begin by opening the TurboTax application on your device. Log into your account using your credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. Navigate to your tax return by selecting Take Me to My Return. Locate the Deductions and Credits section on the top menu. Select Use Search or Find to quickly access the Student Loan Interest Deduction section. In the search box, type Student Loan Interest and press Enter. Click on the Jump to Student Loan Interest link that appears in the search results. Follow the prompts to enter your student loan interest information. You will be asked to input the total amount of interest you paid during the tax year. This information can typically be found on Form 1098-E from your loan servicer. TurboTax will calculate your eligible deduction based on the entered amounts. If applicable, verify your filing status and income, as these may impact the deduction limits. Review the summary provided by TurboTax to ensure all details are accurate. If any errors appear, follow the prompts to correct them before proceeding. Once everything is verified, save your progress and move to the next section of your return. Final checks can also be made by using the review feature in TurboTax. Ensure that your student loan interest deduction is reflected in your final tax computation. With that, you're now set to submit your tax return with your student loan interest deduction properly configured. If you have any additional deductions or credits, you can continue to explore those options as well. When you are ready, proceed to file your tax return according to your preferred method. Be sure to keep a copy of your return and any supporting documentation for your records. Congratulations on successfully configuring your student loan interest deduction in TurboTax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.